Here we're gonna draw a village scenery. First time we need to draw M. Create a horizontal line in its top and create 3 vertical line. Front vertical line is long than other. 2 vertical line for door. Draw 2 square shape for window. Horizontal line for bamboo. Draw corridor. Corridor pillar and draw another heart. Draw 2 V and 2 vertical line for tree. Short and long curve for tree leaf. Draw storage for cow. It's like triangular. Draw a cow in its front. Now draw background scenery and riverside, a boat in its backside. Now create outline all the things. In the time I want to subscriber and like, please share my video. All my viewers, thanks to all. If you learned something from this video, that's my achievement. Thank you to all. Please come again to learn something.